back in the attic. So we got a no heat call. Unit just blows cool air, so let's cycle it on, see what's going on. So we're jumping R to W, and we're going to power it in. So we got inducer. Okay, pressure switch is closed. We should be getting igniter. We're not getting any ignition. Let's see. We should be getting gas valves. Okay, there's our gas valve. And I can hear gas coming out, but no ignition. So first things first is we're not going to just say it's the igniter. We're going to go ahead and make sure we're getting voltage from the control board first, and then we will test the igniter. So let's do that. Here we go. Okay, we got the meter hooked up. So let's see if we're getting voltage. Right now we got nothing. So when we hear that click, we should be getting 120. All right, so we are getting 120. So it looks like we have a bad igniter. So we're gonna switch this to ohms. And we're gonna ohm out our igniter. Okay, so we're ohming out the igniter. We got an OL, so we got a bad igniter. So let's go grab another one. I'm gonna take this one out first. We're probably gonna put in a hot rod if I have one on the truck. Because this is a silicon carbide, and silicon nitrate is pretty much all the universals. They work a lot better, they last a lot longer, so we'll probably do that. So I'm gonna get this thing out of here, and then we'll go see if we have one on the truck. So yeah, here's the old igniter. You can see there's the crack right there. Yeah, see? Oh, there it is. So yeah, this guy's dead. So we're gonna go grab one. Okay, well we cleaned the flame sensor. There's a bunch of fiberglass inside the burner, so I cleaned that out. A bunch of this stuff. And I check the capacitor, make sure it's okay. Last thing you want to do is fix it, and then it doesn't work after you leave. And we are at 14.6. What is this one, 10%? Yeah, plus or minus 10%, so that should be okay. Okay, so we got her mounted. So we're gonna stick her back in there, put all this back together, and then hopefully it lights up. Okay, so we got it in there. We've wire nutted the plug. That way we can just plug it in. So for service purposes, it can just be unplugged and plugged back in easily. And some circuit boards will give you a reverse polarity error code. If that happens, you just switch the wires over. Some of them are sensitive to that, some of them aren't. So anyway, we're gonna plug it in and fire it up, see what happens. Here we go. Got a flame sensor light on there, which is on, so it's detecting flame, and we should just get our blower last. And we're probably going to take an amp draw on this because it doesn't sound good. 1.8 on the inducer, and we got 4.7 on the blower, so everything seems to be good. Might just be might be the thing rattling on top. Alright, the blower motor's making a noise. Let's see. There's something in there. Oh yeah, there's some stuff in there. Alright, let's Let's get that out of there. Oh, it looks like it's the warning stickers got sucked in there. All right, let's energize that blower. Make sure we got it all out of there. Yeah, it sounds better. Anyway, looks like we're good. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, comment. Tell me what a horrible technician I am. And hit that bell notification and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for watching.